Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Ford Ranger, stock number 6861. This ran from the 6 2011 to the 6 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium flat tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, 1 dent and some dents along the top edge, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lit, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,